urakaza neza kuri iyi channel. Ukoze kuri ino video kubera ko ubonye handitse ngo cryptocurrency ni iki. Mu byukuri muri video ngiye kugusobanurira icyo cryptocurrency aricyo. Ugiye gusobanukirwa uburyo bishoboka ko abantu bakorera amamiliyoni bakoresheje telefone yabo gusa. Ese bino bintu bishoboka gute? Ngiye kugusobanurira icyo aricyo. Ese wallet address yo ni iki? Niba ari ubwa mbere ubyumvishe ntugire ikibazo. Nonaha ngiye kugusobanurira byibuze umenye ibyo ari byo ndetse n'uburyo wabikoresha ugatera imbere. Icyo usabwa ni ukureba ino video kugeza irangiye. Ntihagire agace na gatoya utarutsa. Reka dutangire. Ubu ngubu ngiye kukumvisha ikiganiro cy'umugabo witwa Apotre Paul Gitwaza. Aya ni amagambo yabwiraga abakristo be mu rusengero kuri cryptocurrency. Iyumvire.
Amafaranga ubu abantu barimo bakora.
It's a currency that is now getting used.
Itari controle na banke nationale nka BNR.
Not controlled by central banks like BNR
Iri
here,
controle kuri computer.
but controlled on the computer.
Uwayishinze ni Umuyapani.
The inventor of cryptocurrency is a Japanese,
Ariko kugeza uyu munsi ntaraboneka.
but is not known to this day.
Abana bo muri University ya Stanford.
Students at Stanford University,
Abo nibo bayikozeho.
they are the ones who invented it.
Ni ukuvuga ngo
It means
ni ibiceri.
this is like coins,
Abantu bagura agaciro kabyo.
which people give value to it, and people buy those coins.
Tuvuge bakavuga ngo iyi telefone
For example, they will say this telephone,
nuyigura
if you buy it,
nawe
and you,
icyo bita coin
that coin
kiraba gifite valere y'amadolari 100.
will have a value of $100.
Undi yagura na ijana. Ejo abantu bagura ari benshi bikava ku ijana bikajya ku gihumbi.
When more people buy it, it changes in value from $100 to $1,000.
Baguha mode passe code yawe.
They will give you your personal code.
Wewe ugenda uyigura kandi uyigurisha ukunguka. Hari bamwe bamaze kuba miliyoneri.
For you, you buy it and sell it and you make money. Some people have already made millions out of it.
Ushobora kwikonvertisa rero mu mafaranga lokale y'igihugu.
Now you can convert that coin into the currency of that of a certain country, either in dollars.
Ushatse kugura inzu,
If you want to buy a house,
gutumiza ikintu mu
if
Bushinwa,
you want to order for some things in China,
ukoresheje ya currency yitwa
you can
crypto.
convert that Bitcoin or that cryptocurrency into the currency of that nation.
Aricyo bita rero ngo ni blockchain.
Now there's what they call blockchain.
Ni ukuvuga ngo baraguha code,
They will give you a code.
niyo yonyine iyo uyirebye iyo code
When you get that code,
umenya agaciro k'amafaranga yawe.
you alone will know the value of your currency.
Abandi barayamenya ariko nako abandi ntibashobora kwinjira muri konte yawe.
Others cannot access your account.
Ariko ngubu mfite konte muri Beka.
But for example, I have a bank account in Bank of Kigali.
Umuntu wese ukora muri Beka ashobora kwinjiramo akabona amafaranga Gitwaza afite.
Anyone who works in Bank of Kigali can open my account and see how much I have there.
Ariko cryptocurrency
But with cryptocurrency,
irafunze.
it is crypted.
Nta mu informaticien numwe wakwinjira muri computer yawe ngo amenye amafaranga ufite.
No computer engineer can access your account and know how much you have on your account.
Bigenda gute
So what happens?
kugira ngo ngiri iyi code n'aba informaticien batazi?
How does it happen that I can have such a code that even the computer engineers will not know? Those who want
Dore security yabyiri.
This is what the security is.
Bagira icyo bita blockchain.
They use what they call blockchain.
Bafata amakompiyuta nk'ijana
They will take 100 computers
bakayakinisha
and use them,
bagakuramo umubare
and they use random selection and they pick a code,
akaba ari ubu wawe.
and that code becomes your password or your
Ntabwo biri muri
code.
computer imwe.
It is not just in one
Ni
computer.
amakompiyuta menshi.
It is several computers,
Agatogo kayo
and then they mix up the numbers
bikavamo code yawe.
and they select a random code to become your own code.
N'aba informaticien bari ku makompiyuta yabo
Even the computer engineers using that computer,
ntibamenya amakode ari mu makompiyuta yose yahuye hamwe agakuramo ikintu.
they cannot know all the codes that have been selected randomly by the computer.
Niyo mpamvu ari blockchains na machine.
That's why it's called blockchains.
Uvuga ngo uwo mubari utakaje.
So when you lose that code,
ntiwabwira umuntu ngo ndebere.
you cannot ask someone to give you a new password.
Ntazawumenya.
They will not know
Ni
it.
wewe gusa nyira.
It is only you, the owner.
Aho niho hari security yayo.
That's how secure cryptocurrency
Donc
is.
bafata imibare myinshi bakayishira muri logarithme.
They use algorithm to produce codes or numbers, random numbers,
Mamiliyoni y'imibare.
millions and millions of
Bakayacucuma.
numbers, and they select randomly
Akavamo ikintu.
to get a code for
Niyo
you,
code yawe.
which becomes your code.
Iyo ugize nka miliyoni 100.
So when you have like $100 million,
Equivalent y'amamiliyoni
or
100.
the equivalent of $100 million,
Ugatakaza iyo code.
and you lose that code,
Uba utakaje ayo mafaranga.
you have lost your money.
Bayita ngo ni monnaie volatile, ngo ni amafaranga aguruka.
They call it monetary currency.
Kubera iki?
Why?
Ushobora kuyahomba uwo mwanya.
Because you can lose it immediately in a moment.
Ikindi nanone
Another thing,
yagaragaye ko ari strong akomeye kuruta amabanke traditionnel.
it has been proved that it is stronger than traditional banking.
Ariko abantu benshi barayarwanya kuko utabikontrola. Ukirira mu cyumba cyawe gusa ukukujuwa kuri internet ukaba mu miliyoneri. I Rwanda ntibabimenye kuri we, Ubugande ntibabimenye, ni wewe na computer yawe. Ugakomanda ikintu mu Japan, ukubaka inzu South Africa, abantu ntibamenya aho amafaranga wayakuye. Ariko kuri aho hari uburyo nabo baregulatinga kugira ngo udakoresha amafaranga ya mafia, barabikora ibyo. Ariko iyo ni systeme ikigoye, ariko shobora kubiri efficace anyway. Ntabwo ndi umu economist petit.
Many people are fighting cryptocurrency because they are not comfortable with something they cannot control. But the system itself has the way of regulating and making sure you are not using fraud means to get money. But it might be more effective, but I'm not an economist here.
Iri ni ibanga entre nous.
This is a secret between us.
Turashaka gukora ya authentique ariko ntimukavuge. Ntimuzagire uwo mubwira.
Don't tell anyone about this.
Tuzakora ya authentique. That's how we are going to do authentic banking. Ntimugire abo muyobwira.
Please don't tell anyone.
Namwe mukurikira kuri televiziyo mu biceceke.
And those of you watching by TV, keep it quiet.
Anyway, en fait niyo trend, niyo isiri migana.
That's the trend where the world is headed now.
Nk'ubwongereza irakomeye cyane.
Like in the UK, it's working.
South Africa amaduka menshi usigaye ujya kugura ufite Bitcoin.
Most shops in South Africa you can shop using Bitcoin.
Hari abandi muri mwe babindusha kubimenya.
There are others who are more familiar than
myself.
Just wanted to
Kandi naho
answer.
bihuriye na Bibiliya.
And it has nothing to do with the Bible. Dorcas,
yabagiye ngo se umuntu yashanja linye wiwi.
she asked, how can you change your family